Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Hyundai Elantra, and I want to show you something very simple. We're going to be checking and filling our washer fluid. Right here with the blue cap, it also says washer only right on it. This is your washer fluid reservoir. You can see there's a level, okay? You really don't need it to be up any higher than that. Some people fill it all the way up to the top so it comes pouring out the top. It's really up to you. It's your prerogative. You do you, boo-boo. You definitely want to make sure you got some in there though. I'm just going to use some washer fluid right here, pour it in. There we are. Looks pretty great. We'll close that up and off we go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.